In this video, I'm going to show you how to add certificates to your LinkedIn profile. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the LinkedIn app. Then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your profile just like so. The next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be pressing on this option that says Add Section. Then we're going to scroll down and we're going to go ahead and select on Recommended. Then you should notice that there will be an option that says add licenses and certifications. So all you need to do is go ahead and press on that like so. And from here, go ahead and just enter in this information. You will need to provide the name of the certification, the organization, the issue date, expiration date, credential ID, and the credential URL. You also get the option to include at least one skill with the license and certification, and of course to upload an image to go along with your certificate. So let's go ahead and put in some stuff really quickly. Okay, so I don't actually have any type of certificate to actually include, but if you do have one, then all you need to do is put in the information, and once you're done with that, go ahead and press on this blue button that says save, and then there you go. It will now say that your certification is added. Next, share this update with your network. So you have the option to actually share it as well, so that is completely up to you. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.